Hello friends, welcome back to DataDesk Pro. In this video, we will start learning Excel from zero. First, we will learn basic Excel. Then we will move to intermediate Excel and after that advanced Excel. But we will not stop there. On DataDesk Pro, you will also learn corporate Excel and Excel expert level skills. So guys, in today's special session, we will learn basic overview of Excel and internal settings. These basics are very important. So guys, please do not skip this video even for 1 second. Questions from these topics are often asked in interview, even in freelancing work. Basic Excel questions are very common. Skipping the basic can be very risky. So guys, now let's start. You can see this practice file on your screen. Before using any formula, let me explain the basic overview of Excel. At the top, you can see options like Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View. These are called the menu bar and they are also known as tabs. When you click on the Home tab, you will see the ribbon. Guys, inside the ribbon, there are different groups such as font group, alignment group, number group, styles group, sales group, and editing group. Guys, you might think, why do we need to know this? But this knowledge is very useful. In interviews, you may be asked which tab has this option and which group does this tool belongs to. Guys, now you can see a small arrow at the corner of some group, and this arrow is called the quick launcher. When you click on it, a new window opens with advanced options. Guys, if you need more settings, just click this arrow and use the advanced options. Now let's click on the file button. Guys, from here you can open a new workbook and also you can use search options to find ready-made templates. Guys, Excel help us do smart work, not just hard work. For example, if you want to create an invoice, calendar, budget summary, you can simply use a template. Now click on a business. Choose any template for freelancing or office work. Then click on the template and press create. Now your file is ready and you can edit as per requirement like invoice number, date, customer ID, terms, descriptions, quantity, unit, amount, and you are done. This is a very easy way to complete hours of work in minutes. The best part is the format is already perfect. You can print it directly in the correct size and click on file button, print, and guys, you can see here. Guys, I want to explain more, but I will stop this session here. Please practice what you learned today. Practice will help you understand Excel better and use it in your daily work. Finally, tell me three things you learned today in the comment box, and this motivate us and help us bring better learning session for you. Stay connected with DataDesk Pro for more such videos. Thank you.